finally here. We're slowly unpacking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith and this is Urban Wanderlust Candles. So I just want to start off by saying thank you so much for the outpouring love that I received on my first video. Creating a YouTube channel was something that I've always wanted to do, but I've always been a little hesitant because I'm scared of this. Being in front of the camera, talking to myself, yeah, all that stuff. I'm scared of it. It may look like it comes off easy, but it's all fake. I guess I'm a good actress. But thank you so much for all the love that I received and all the positive comments that I got. Like, I'm still in shock and I think I'm still on a high coming off of that video. And I'm excited for what this channel can be. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll link it down below so you can watch that before we head into today's video, which is moving day. I'm so excited for you guys to see the chaotic mess that is us trying to move and pack up this candle business into our new home, because we're moving from Long Island to Long Island City. No, that's not where we're going. We're moving from Long Island City, Queens to Melville, Long Island, and I'm so excited for it because we'll finally be able to have a dedicated room that is my candle studio. I don't always have to clean up after myself. I can leave things a mess and I know no one's gonna touch it. I didn't record myself packing up my clothes and the bedroom and things like that because it's not candle related. So I'm really only showing you guys me packing the candle stuff. So I hope that's okay. Before we get started on today's moving vlog, give this video a thumbs up so I know this is the type of content that you'd like to see. Like, subscribe to the channel because there's so much more to come. All right, so our gorilla bins are here. We're running downstairs to pick them up. And then we can start packing. I look a hot mess, but that's okay. Okay. You took too long.
I had to get the car from outside.
I know. Can I tell you that these are 100 times better than getting cardboard boxes because you don't have to worry about breaking them down, recycling, or anything. You schedule your drop off, they bring it right up to your door, and they also, you can schedule your pickup once you're done and they'll pick it up at the new place. So it's fantastic. We got the 1-bedroom couple set, which gives you 40 bins. So you'll get like 20 of the large bins and then 20 of the big ones. But they also give you dollies so you can kind of roll them around a little bit easier around the apartment like that. And then they also give you like packing tape, zip ties, and labels so that you can label the bins. So yeah, it's here. Now what's left is to start packing. My candle supplies probably won't go in here. We'll probably just use this for our personal stuff like clothes, dishes, and pots, whatever, things like that. My candle supplies are still in its original boxes, so we're planning on just moving all the candle supplies ourselves and then letting the movers take everything else, like the furniture, the couch, and all that stuff. So, yeah. We're here, the house is a mess, and we're ready to get packing. I think the majority of the apartment is pretty much packed up. All that's left to do is now pack up, oh, that's Peter making some coffee. Pack up some of the, all of the candle stuff. I look a hot mess. It's early in the morning. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and then get started, so. I think we got the majority of the house packed up. Now all that's left to do is pack up all the candle stuff and things that I have up there. I didn't close up the shop, but what I did do is extend our current processing times. So now I'm on a shipping delay of about 5 to 8 days, which should give me enough time to pack everything up and then unpack at the new place and then start processing some orders. Can we just take a second to admire the windows and the view? This is why we picked this apartment, even though it didn't have a lot of space, but just like, look at all the sunlight. When we first moved in, this desk wasn't even here. It was just open. Actually, that was Brooklyn's spot. Her bed used to be there, and she would just love to like sunbathe and everything. Look at the sky, it's so beautiful. We would get the most beautiful sunsets too down there. Oh my gosh, definitely gonna miss it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I should just put all of these in the bin. Yeah, well, they're gonna have to go in the bin, but maybe I should like layer it with some tissue just in case if they leak, because they were up there and I guess they were kind of leaking a little bit. So up there was a little oily. I have to give it a better clean later, but I think I'm just gonna layer this with some wrapping paper, which actually I don't have any more of, but we're getting some more today. But yeah, so we're gonna put those in here and then try to tackle these. Ooh, and what I love is that I got through all of my orders yesterday and I finished all the wax. So I love it when things work out perfectly, where my melter is empty and now it makes it lighter to carry. Yay.
I feel like 70% of this packing is all your stuff too.
Candles, right?
Yeah. Well, not candles, I just mean your stuff in general.
Oh, I thought there was no my stuff.
Now there is.
Okay, so this looks pretty good. Not too bad. Oh my goodness.
You have more shit?
More. I have more fragrance oils over here, I forgot. Not bad. No, why do I have so much stuff? The movers, college hunks. Oh yeah. No comment as to whether or not if they're hunks. I am happily married, thank you very much. But they've made everything super easy.
So we're finally here. We're slowly unpacking.